I have a couple questions though, and I should say that right off the bat that this phone call is being recorded, just for accuracy's sake. But I do want to know if it's going to be possible for me to obtain a copy of the video from behind the Revere High School now that the grand jury has completed its assignment in this regard. Because going back to the original lawsuit by the Daily Item.
Right, sure. I'll be honest with you. That's in evidence right now.
Right.
It's in evidence before a seated jury, and so I'm not in a position to release it. In candor, it may actually be the court that ultimately decides to release it or withhold it, although in my past experience, they have released some exhibits after trial once the proceedings are complete. Right,
and I figured obviously I know it's in jury right now, so I wasn't asking for it at this point. But at the completion of trial, of course, that's what I was looking for. And I've litigated this issue in New Hampshire over the Dashcam of Bruce McKay's Dashcam, and I won that. So I see now that the grand jury is going to be completed, and when the trial is completed, I think that this document would stand in the same same shoes as the Dashcam from the Franconia tragedy.
Sure. I'll be honest with you. I'm not familiar with the case you're referring to. It's not in Suffolk County, nor is the Massachusetts case.
Right.
But Judge Brady is probably the best person to make that decision.
Right, of course. Yeah, I was just making a reference to the Franconia shooting. That was when Officer Bruce McKay was shot by Lico Kenny, and then this Gregory Floyd.
I'll be honest with you. Again, I'm not familiar with that case. I got a couple things going on this morning. Was there something else that you wanted to ask?
No, that's basically it, though. I do appreciate your comment on that, and I will approach. I have to talk to Judge Brady about a couple of things today too, so I will approach him about that matter and see if we can find some kind of agreement on it when the trial is completed.
That sounds great.
And I thank you very much.
Okay, take care.
Take care. And we'll see what happens. That document certainly is in the public record, and it should be produced as soon as the trial's over. So we'll see what happens. We'll see, if I'm able to obtain that. Thank you, and have a great day from here at KingCast.net, touchfmboston.blogspot.com.